we're having a date night. Sunday night is date night, and we've had a really good time so far. So it's a beautiful place in Cayenne, and it does great desserts. I'll tell you about the desserts later. Let you know out of a scale of 10 if they're good or they're no good. What do you think, Gigi?
Always think it's good. That's why I brought you here.
She brought me to the best dessert Chinese restaurant in Cayenne, right? It just opened. It's very nice. It's right here. The service has been good. They've done some selfies for us, which Juju's happy about. I'm just trying the pudding, and I'm not sure what these things are, but I'll have a look. They're chewy, it's milky, and it looks like tapioca. It's a little bit sweet. It's nice, I like it.
Okay, good.
I'm not sure. There's an orange thing here. Steady on, there's an orange thing. We'll try that. And there's some of these, I'm not sure what these are. But,
the red bean.
Red bean, give them a try.
Western rice. Okay,
I must admit the red bean texture doesn't really go with the tapioca and chewy thing.
Why to watch
But it's a Chinese taste, and I like it. It's good. Okay, this is, I think it's milk with ginger, and I'm not really a big fan of ginger, to be honest, but I'll give it a go.
That's mine.
But to be honest, it's quite strong, the ginger, and there's a funny aftertaste, so I wouldn't order this one again. I would order this one, the tapioca, but this ginger one,
It's mine.
I'm okay, I don't want it. It's a thumbs down for me, yeah. So we just finished the meal. It was very nice, and Chinese desserts. The ginger one not so good, but the other one, the tapioca, is good.
The ginger is the best.
If you have a Chinese wife and who likes ginger, it's very good. So this is the restaurant here. Okay, there. This one. What's it called?
赵记.
Okay, back in focus. So it was a great date night, and we're heading home because Monday is always a busy day. So this is part of date night, apparently. We have to have this face masky thing, but I don't know, gotta stay beautiful, get rid of these black eyes going on, so give it a go. So I'm Paul Jolley. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel because I'm awesome. Why not? Take it easy, guys.